You know it's a good day when this shows up at your doorstep. Yup, it's a Nykaa haul. But wait, this haul comes with a tiny twist. So here's the tea. I didn't need half of this stuff, but Nykaa luxury offer. It almost got me. I mean, who can say no to this Charlotte Tilbury mini lipstick? When a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick shows up free with your card, who says
What?
no? Tell me you are obsessed with freebies without telling me you are obsessed with freebies.
Wow.
I bought an entire luxury haul just to get this baby. Worth it. Let me show you the shade. So this is the shade you see. It smells luxury. Wow. Also grab these combo. This is from Laneige. Been eyeing this from ages, but my wallet said not today. I got it at 44% discount on Nykaa with this combo, this 4 items. I will show you one by one. First up is this lip sleeping mask. I have already used it. I'm not gonna lie. So I have used this much and I kind of like it. It has a candy smell. This is a sweet candy variant, and with this I got a sleeping mask. It is a face mask, Laneige bouncy and firm sleeping mask. It's a 10 gram of size. This lip balm from Laneige. This is in the gummy bear variant. And this cream skin Cerapeptide toner and moisturizer tonic. I have not yet opened it. This is sealed. And this is a small 15 ml bottle. With this Laneige combo, I got this freebie from Charlotte Tilbury. Most of these are minis because I like trying new products without crying later for the price. I wanted a plate like this. This is a mixing palette. I wanted a palette. So I do makeup and I like to do eye makeup, and I wanted something for my eye and face makeup to mix and match, and this is what I have got. This is from Giorgio Professional, and it also comes with these two things for rupees 450. The freebies that I got with this are this from Aveda. This is also a luxury brands. These are two sachet. This has Aveda Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask and Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. So I'm going to try it, and if I like it, then I will buy the big size. Then in another box, I have this Eucerin Anti-Pigment Dual Serum, which I'm using already. And this is the second bottle. So I'm going to post another video where I will be showing you the uh, results of using this serum. It claims that it can reduce pigmentations in 2 weeks. So I have been trying it for more than 1 month now, and I have the clips and I have been using it. So I will be sharing you the results after completing my 2 bottles. With this, I got another product from the same brand. This is their anti-pigment dark circle eye corrector. So I'm also using this now. I will be sharing the results soon, so wait for my review on this. With these 2 products, I got freebies from Redken, and this is their shampoo and conditioner. So it has a packet for shampoo and 1 sachet for their conditioner. So I'm going to use it. I have heard very good reviews about this brand, and I'm going to try this. And if I like it, then I will be buying the bigger bottle of this. They have given me another freebie. This is from Keihl. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. It is from Keihl, and this is their Ultra Facial Cream, 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. So this is the one, and I'm obviously going to try this one too. Now I will unbox the last box, which I have not opened yet. So I just kept it for you guys to see the unboxing of this particular box. Just wanted to show you how a luxury box looks like from Nykaa. So this is how it comes when there is a luxury item. It comes in this package, and it comes in a black box. So let me open this. Here I have ordered one Turkish hammam kese. So I bought it only because of the freebie. So I got an Lancome Genefique Ultimate. I wanted this. I have been trying another Lancome product and I am quite liking it. I wanted to try this too, and if this works for me, I'm going to buy the full size of this. So I wanted to try this, and this was free with a lot of things there, and I chose this product, something like this, and it will be good to scrub my skin. And though the quality is fine, I think, and this has a smooth side also. And let me see how this works. So if you see a suspiciously unnecessary haul, just know that there is a freebie hiding somewhere. Okay, haul done. Now it's time to test, swatch, and spill the tea. Want reviews? Follow along, you know the drill. So if you like my haul and you want me to do more such hauls, do subscribe my channel and like my video, share this with your friends, and also join me in my live session. Thank you so much. I will come again with another video, and you can also suggest me what else you want to see from me, and I will bring that to you. See ya.